चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं, सीधे रुख करते हैं आर्मी चीफ की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस का।
Olive Green is a soldier. Everybody is a soldier. I mean, there is a misnomer going on that, I cannot do this and I will not do this because I am not a soldier. Everybody is a soldier. Everybody is a combatant. You may be combatants in different grades. And for that purpose, we have identified the entire army has been divided in two. We call them arms and services. Arms are those people who are the actual combatants, and service are the people who provide you support, logistic support to the combatants. But that does not mean that he is not expected to fight. He is expected to be as physically fit as the combatant. He is expected to be as capable as a combatant to handle his weapon that is authorized to him. So they are all combatants. So there should be no distinction or any misnomer that the army has different categories. The fact that you wear the olive green and the fact that you started wearing the olive green, you are a combatant. Your physical fitness state, your professional ability has to be equal. There can be no differentiation, and therefore we have no differentiation. There is no differentiation in standards in firing between a person who belongs to the ASC or if you belong to the infantry. It is the same. There are no difference in standards in your battle physical efficiency tests or physical proficiency tests that we conduct. It's not that a person from the services is expected to have lower standards vis-a-vis the other combatants. They are all expected to have the same standards. It's because we are one. We are all supposed to be ready for combat as a team. So these, I thought, are some of the issues I will address, and with this I am now open to questions.
So we will take about 3 questions in one time. I request everybody who we nominate as per a number, please give a name and thereafter ask the questions. Question number 7, speaker number 75 first.
This is about helicopters. A little bit on the status of the helicopters in the Army Aviation Corps. The Rudras, the Apache, what's happened to the follow-on order, and the 226T and the LCH. What is the status and when do you expect?
Helicopters. So what has been our response to that, and what's going on for the past few days, because there has been n number of ceasefire violation, especially in Poonch.
Number 71.
सालाना प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस